The new message has arrived.
The message has arrived. You got a message. We got a message. The message has arrived. In the truck, 7:15 in the morning. So doing a 30-minute meal break because it's part of DOT regulations to take a 30-minute meal break, lunch break. So she's asleep, taking her nap. Oh. And we already hit our coffee. I got the toaster oven, and I'm making some cinnamon rolls. Nice, fluffy, 8 cinnamon rolls. I really like my toaster oven. We found some new ones we want to get, but we'll get the new one because it has French doors. We'll get that when we get the new truck. When we get a newer truck. And there's my fridge, our refrigerator, and our other cooler, 12-volt fridge. That's a ice chest cooler plug-in thing, so it keeps things cool. So we are stocked up on groceries. Down there, see here, that's food pantry. And then we got some cereal up there for breakfast. So grocery shop, eat instead of spending money on fast foods and restaurants where you're paying $15, $20 for a fucking meal. That's halfway cooked, under portion of what you paid for, and I gotta pay that bullshit price for a fucking meal that the chef or the cook can't fucking do. I ain't wasting my money on it. We ain't wasting our money on it. I ain't spending $20 for a damn meal for somebody that can't even fucking cook a order. For instance, I was in Tennessee. We went inside the truck stop to get dinner. Fish. These fish. I had fish dinner. These little fish are probably about yay big. About that big. Just about that size of that lid. 3 little pieces of fish for freaking 17 something bucks. That's a ripoff. I could just go to Walmart. We could pull into the Walmart grocery store. I could get me a thing of Vanderkamp's beer batter fish patties and have like 10 of those and eat a good ass meal. Then paying $17 for 3 small little freaking guppy fish dinner. And then to top it off, the food ain't that. The food there at the truck stops ain't that freaking good. They either dry it out, too damn greasy, cold, raw, nasty, disgusting. And with all this bullshit fucking pandemic, bullshit fucking virus that's probably not even fucking real at all, right? So if you want to sit there and argue with me, we can, because you believe whatever you want to believe. I'm going to believe what I want to believe, because I'm standing my ground for what I believe in and shit. So fuck you and your feelings, basically. Fuck you and your feelings. So, to me, the virus is bullshit. These people here at these fucking fast foods and all that stuff can't cook worth a shit. Younger generation here are getting fucking dumber and dumber as the day goes by. It is what it is, and that's just how I see it. So, I know I'm cooking a good meal. Toaster oven. I mean, not my muffins, but my cinnamon rolls, I mean, they look pretty damn good. They'll be done here in just about a few more minutes, about 6 minutes or so. But yeah, I cook my food. I ain't wasting my time eating at these fucking diners and all that shit. So fuck that. I'm gonna go shopping, stock up what I need to stock up on, and we eat good. Last night we had steak dinner, and we had a thing of cut up beef steaks in a package because I was gonna do mashed potatoes, gravy, and the little cut up steaks and all that stuff, and green beans. I was gonna do that, but I think I'm gonna do that tonight. I'm gonna do her pork chop steak, mashed potatoes, and brown gravy and green beans. We're gonna have that for dinner, and I'm gonna probably have me maybe some hot dogs, chili dogs. I'm gonna heat up some chili. So I'll do a cooking video, and then I'll have them posted up here on YouTube. Later.